Welcome to our channel, where today we're excited to introduce the ANGELBLISS 3-in-1 Baby Bassinet, a versatile and stylish solution for your newborn's sleep needs. This innovative bassinet can be used as a standalone unit, a bedside sleeper attached to your bed, or a soothing rocking bassinet that mimics the gentle sway of a parent's arms. Designed with comfort in mind, it features a mattress made of memory foam and high-density foam, complete with a waterproof sheet for easy cleaning. The sleek and minimalist design complements any nursery decor, while the 6 adjustable height positions ensure a perfect fit alongside any bed, making those late-night feedings a breeze. Safety is paramount, with 2-sided mesh for breathability and a robust triangular structure supported by a lightweight iron frame, providing a secure sleeping space for babies up to 5 months old. The quick fold design makes assembly tool-free and effortless, and with storage space underneath and 4 built-in wheels, you can easily move it from room to room, keeping baby essentials within arm's reach. Experience the convenience and peace of mind that the ANGELBLISS 3-in-1 Baby Bassinet brings to your parenting journey. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below.